What's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. I think we all know what's about to go down. So this is the third package of wrap that I've ordered because I never ever got the right amount of wrap. So hopefully today, we should be, or at least in this video, we should be able to finish the car. Now if I want to include everything in this video, I have to get this car done in 2 days. Otherwise this video is going to be late. So we may or may not finish the wrap today. If I don't finish it, I'll still upload the video and then we'll complete it next time. I think we'll start off with the rear quarter panel that I didn't finish. So, it is a little whiles after I filmed what I filmed before. I've gotten all the doors done, and now I'm starting on wrapping the front bumper. I've wrapped this canard, and I've wrapped the other side canard as well. So, I'm going to show you the door. This door is easily the worst. That's really bad. Especially way down here. So I'm gonna have to rewrap this. Same thing with this door. This one's a little better, but it's still not that great. The reason why it turned out really bad is because I started from this corner and worked my way down to that corner, and that kind of just messed everything up because I had to go around the door handle. If we come over to this side, and we'll see, it's a lot better. Obviously, it's not completely perfect, but it's definitely a lot better. Especially this door. This door is by far the best one. It's near flawless. I say near because it's not perfect. For example, up here, it shows a bit of silver. The car is near complete. So all we have left is just this front bumper and then the rear bumper. So yeah, I know I haven't really filmed all that much, but I figured I've already filmed 2 videos of showing the wrap, so now I'm kind of just showing before and after stuff. So I'm going to try to wrap some more of this bumper, and I'll show you what it looks like after. So here's how the bumper has come along so far. I think it's been maybe an hour or 2 or something like that. So yeah, I think that's all the wrapping that I'm going to do in this video. So basically this is a really short video. It's not going to end here though. I got a little special something for you that I normally wouldn't do, but I figured since I do want to make a fairly long-ish video, at least like 5 or 6 minutes. So I'm going to include some other behind-the-scenes footage and stuff. Not too bad. It looks blue. That looks blue. So I'm deciding what I'm going to do is have some silver accents like that. Just by using the paint. So I'm gonna have some accenting just along the bottom and stuff, so I don't have to do any extra wrapping. So that there's gonna be silver. I'm leaving this here silver. This top portion here, this will be wrapped. But sort of the bottom piece, I'm gonna give it a little bit of accenting with the silver. I think it'll look good. I haven't gotten around to this side too much, besides, of course, the canard there. But basically, everything else I'm gonna do is gonna be off-camera stuff, and then I'll show you the full car with it completely wrapped. So this bumper is gonna be wrapped, and then, of course, everything else is already wrapped on the car. And then off-camera, I will rewrap these 2 doors. I'm gonna leave the hood because eventually I will replace this with a carbon fiber hood. Because lightweight and stuff. Anyway, that's it for the wrapping today. Onwards to the next clip. Right, so, I promised you guys, that I'd give you behind the scenes footage. So yeah, basically, really, I'm just doing this because I want to make the video longer. Some of you might be curious about, how the videos get made and stuff. So, obviously, you guys know enough about the garage. It's just really messy, but it's basically just a 2-car garage. I've moved my setup to a different area of the room. It's a place a bit more comfy, a bit more cozy, a place where I think I can be a bit more productive and stuff. So here it is. I do apologize for the mess over here and stuff. Things are kind of just scattered all over the place. I only just moved the table and stuff recently. So there's gonna be a bit of a mess. I still need to move some of this stuff around, either onto the table, under the table, or a different storage area. And yeah, so basically, we'll start from this side. Also, sorry for any fan noise if you can hear it. Actually, I'll shut it off. Start on this side, laptop, and some miscellaneous items. TV, Nintendo Switch stuff, like Pro Controller, basically just a whole bunch of gaming stuff. Underneath, that's my Xbox. It's the original Xbox One. It's not the Xbox One S or anything. PS4 on that side. I still have a Wii U, and of course there's the computer down there. Speakers and stuff. Don't mind this. I got a little bit of a calcium deficiency, so that's why I got to take those. I'm not, you know, a druggie though. I don't do that kind of stuff. But anyway, moving on. This is the speaker. I use this actually a fair amount whenever I like to play audio from my phone. Super good quality. Not sponsored. Then we got headphones, keyboard, mouse. I don't remember what this is called. I think this is a Razer Chroma something. I genuinely don't remember what either the mouse and keyboard are called, but basically it's a mechanical keyboard, and then that's just a mouse with some buttons and stuff on the side. This usually isn't here. I just swapped my hard drive, so that's why I have this here, because I have to transfer files and stuff. Capture card for gaming videos when I record console stuff. I have 2 Dell monitors. This is the camera for face cams and stuff, and this is the camera I used to vlog with. This is a Nikon blah blah blah. This is a Logitech C920. Now, if you've watched me for a little while, then you would know that I used to edit videos and stuff on an iMac, so you may be wondering what happened to it and why it's not here. And that's because I've moved it to an upstairs room to use. It's pretty near my room, so in case I don't want to come down here, I can just use it up there. And then the rest of my family can use it as well. But anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. I'm sorry if it was shorter than normal and if it just wasn't that detailed. I wanted to get this video out on time, and like I said, I've already filmed 2 videos of wrapping the car, so I figured just showing the aftermath would be enough at this point. The next update we do on Subaru, it'll be fully wrapped. But anyway, that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, go ahead, leave a like, comment below, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. We just passed 900 subscribers, so thank you guys so much for that. Although I already talked about this in my last video, which I uploaded on Friday night. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.